Come with me to Hvammsvík, one of the newest hot springs in Iceland. A quick 45-minute drive from Reykjavik, located right on the sea in Hvalfjordur. They have 8 hot tubs of varying temperatures, as well as the option to do a cold water sea plunge. Let's check it out. I've recruited a couple of friends to join me because there's safety in numbers. Here we go. Oh, keep going. Okay, yep, we did it for sure. You just gotta go down, that's it. Go, go! Ah! She did it, you have to go! Woo! Oh, okay. Oh yeah, the legs. Oh my God.
Yeah, the legs are respect.
High five! High five! I'm proud of you! Thank you.
Nailed it.
Amazing. Very cold. Very cold. Still, it's part of the experience. You gotta do it. Highly recommend. To say that was just absolutely incredible. I am very, very relaxed, feeling amazing. I think it exceeded my expectations. I loved that there were so many different hot pools. I didn't know that there was going to be that many. I'm very proud of myself for doing the ocean swim because I did not plan on doing that. And once I was there, I was like, well, I have to do it now. And I mean, it is the Icelandic way, even though it's really painful. So best advice I have for that is to go in the hottest pool in first, get as hot as possible until you want to get out, and then go directly in the ocean. Anyway, I definitely recommend Hvammsvík. I can highly recommend. It's very peaceful there. Very nature. It's like a very built into the ground. I love their use of just like the volcanic hot water with stones and the natural walkways, and everything is just really, really well thought out and very well done. So definitely add it to your itinerary. Another cool thing that I thought would be a good pairing is that it's right by Glimmer. Not right by, but it's near Glimmer. So you could do the hike to Glimmer, and then you can go and spend some time relaxing in the hot spring afterwards, because who doesn't want to do that after a nice exertional hike? The scenery around there, just everything is so breathtaking. And they had paddle boarding as well. I didn't make time for that. And then the other add-on that you can do is called the Wim Hof breathing technique, and which is where someone talks you through basically how to be in cold water for an extended period of time. So that would be really interesting. That's an add-on that you can definitely check out. Other than that, I'm just really glad that I was finally able to try it and share it with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Thank you again to Hvammsvík for having me at your beautiful hot spring. I really enjoyed myself. All right guys, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy planning.